How to add multiple lines in Instagram bio. If you want to add multiple lines to an Instagram bio, what you have to do is, so let's say you have got the Instagram application right here. You go to your profile page, you go to edit profile, and then you want to actually go ahead and type in your bio, but then you want to leave a line and then type in something else and leave a line and type in something else. And then when you hit the arrow button, you can see that if I come back, you can see it is actually already leaving the line. So if that is what you're looking for, that's perfectly fine. But let's say you're trying to look for an empty space also. So if you just go ahead and do that, let's say you don't want to write anything on the next line, and then you hit like this over here and then hit the next option. You can do this and just hit the arrow button and just come back. You can see we've successfully added the line, but you can see there's a certain gap. So what you can instead do is, in between that particular line, you can add a small text like dot, which is not clearly visible on the bio, but then after that you can see multiple lines. So now when you hit arrow icon, you come back, you can see after those lines you'll be able to see the next text. So this is a small workaround on what we can do at the maximum level to add multiple lines on Instagram bio. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.